So we should say what we're doing to make our products better, to make them more affordable, and to make the customer experience truly delightful. That offhand comment from Elon Musk might sound casual, but it could be the clearest glimpse yet into Tesla's next big move. What if the next big leap in electric cars doesn't come from some luxury feature but from something radically simple, affordable, and incredibly smart? The Tesla Model 2, expected in 2026, is shaping up to be much more than Tesla's cheapest car ever. Recent updates like factory improvements and internal test builds all point toward a vehicle built not only to cut costs but to redefine mobility itself, with super low maintenance, long-term durability, and even the chance to earn you money through Tesla's future autonomous network. And while Tesla hasn't officially confirmed its launch yet, all the signs suggest this is going to be far more than just another commuter car. Could this be the start of a whole new era where your car doesn't just take you places but also pays for itself? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to help Simplify Science reach our goal of 1,000 subscribers, and click the bell so you'll always be the first to know as this story develops. Let's jump into the first question: how is the Model 2 going to redefine affordability and ownership? The Tesla Model 2 is set to debut with a jaw-dropping starting price of just $10.7, making it one of the most affordable electric cars ever introduced to the global market. At that price, it's not just cheaper than most new EVs, it even undercuts many used gas-powered cars. For the first time, millions of drivers who thought they couldn't afford to go electric might have a real path into EV ownership. Pretty incredible, right? Does this sound like a game changer to you? And the Model 2 isn't just breaking the barrier on price, it's tearing it down entirely. When you look at the total cost of ownership, the savings really add up. On average, most drivers spend around $1.5 annually on gasoline. Charging an EV like the Model 2 is projected to cost just $400 per year. That's a savings of $1.1 every year, or $5.5 over 5 years. Plus, as an EV, it eliminates a ton of routine maintenance, oil changes, emissions checks, spark plug replacements, and so much more that can easily add up to another $500 every year. That's over $8.0 saved across 5 years of ownership. And here's where Tesla is pushing even further. They're also looking at a new drive service model. Imagine a flat rate of $99 per month that includes full access to the car, insurance, and unlimited supercharger use. No down payment, no traditional loan. It could make the Model 2 especially appealing for people who live paycheck to paycheck or anyone looking for an easier, lower-risk way to drive. Do you like this subscription-style approach, or would you rather buy the car outright? Let me know in the comments. And beyond simply helping you save money, the Tesla Model 2 might also help you make money. Tesla plans to equip it with full self-driving hardware so that it can seamlessly integrate into the company's Robotaxi network. Think about this for a second: whenever you're not using your car, maybe you're at work or asleep, it could be earning passive income for you. Tesla estimates a single Robotaxi working full-time could earn $30 to $35 per year. Even on a more modest part-time basis, owners might earn $4 to $6 every year. That adds up to as much as $25 over 5 years, more than double the car's starting price of $10.7. After paying for electricity and some upkeep, you'd still come out ahead by several thousand every year with minimal effort. It's like turning a car into a small business. And what about durability? How will the Model 2 hold up long-term, especially if it's going to serve as a robotaxi? Tesla plans to use next-generation lithium phosphate, or LFP, batteries like their new 4680 Gen 2 structural cells. Unlike typical EV batteries that last around 1,000 to 1,500 full charge cycles, these are rated for up to 5,000 full cycles. That's enough to drive about 1 million miles before you'd need a new pack. Pretty crazy to imagine, right? Does hearing that make you feel more confident about the Model 2's lifespan? And Tesla's advanced thermal management system plays a huge role in reaching that milestone. Unlike traditional designs that concentrate heat in certain areas, Tesla's new table cells spread the electrical load across the entire edge of each cell. This greatly reduces internal resistance and localized heating, improving heat dissipation by up to 50%, especially during fast charging. The result? Faster top-ups with less thermal stress. Plus, the 4680 Gen 2 cells will be built into a structural battery pack where the pack itself supports the car's body. That improves cooling and weight savings too. Tesla has shown that these packs retain over 80% capacity even after 1,500 full-depth cycles. That's more than 500,000 miles, and most other EVs struggle to maintain 70 to 75% after just 800 to 1,200 cycles. More stable temperatures mean less lithium plating, less cathode wear, and longer service life. That's huge, especially for robotaxis that rack up big mileage every single day. Tesla really is designing this car with extreme longevity in mind. And the durability goes way beyond the battery. Tesla engineers have taken a radical less is more approach to the car's entire design. A typical gasoline car contains over 2,000 moving parts. The Model 2 will have fewer than 17 in its powertrain. That includes one electric motor, a single-speed gearbox, and very simple suspension linkages. You can kiss goodbye to transmissions, exhausts, fuel pumps, spark plugs, timing belts, and all that stuff that breaks. EVs don't need oil changes, belt replacements, or emissions checks. And Tesla's vertically integrated software keeps the car humming along with predictive diagnostics. And did you know Tesla says up to 72% of service requests can already be solved remotely? Sensors scan the car's 100-plus subsystems in real time, and over-the-air updates often fix bugs before you even notice them. That kind of proactive software support can reduce long-term ownership costs by up to 40% compared to a traditional ICE vehicle. Pretty wild to think about, isn't it? And Tesla plans to back all this up with serious hardware, using corrosion-resistant aluminum in the 5000 and 6000 series for the body panels. These alloys, often found in aerospace and marine applications, offer great strength and can easily hold up in humid or salty conditions. The underbody will be protected by a high-strength boron steel skid plate and a composite shield, so debris and rough roads won't damage the battery or electronics. Even the car's structure will be stiffened. Tesla says its monk-style build improves rigidity by up to 30% compared to traditional designs. That kind of strength matters, especially if this car is going to rack up 1 million miles as a robotaxi operating 16 to 20 hours a day. The Model 2 is built to thrive under punishing workloads, from sub-zero winters at minus 30 degrees Celsius to blazing summers at plus 50 degrees Celsius. Does knowing this make you more interested in Tesla's long-term plan for the Model 2? Tell me what excites you most. Drop a quick 1 for million-mile battery life. 2 for smart remote repairs. 3 for extreme climate durability, or 4 for that aerospace-grade build. And lastly, let's talk about performance. Even though Tesla plans to sell the Model 2 for as little as $10.7, they don't want it to feel like a bare-bones economy car. It will likely come with a single rear-mounted permanent magnet synchronous motor capable of going 0 to 60 in about 6 to 7 seconds, quicker than a Corolla or Hyundai i20. The top speed will probably be between 127 and 135 miles per hour. The Model 2 is expected to produce 180 to 200 horsepower and more than 220 pound-foot of torque, making it feel surprisingly lively for its size. And Tesla's third-generation platform is all about making it affordable without compromising on driving dynamics. That includes using Giga casting machines rated at over 60,000 tons to produce huge chunks of the chassis as a single lightweight piece. That not only improves rigidity and safety, but also simplifies the assembly process. Plus, placing the structural battery pack flat under the floor gives the Model 2 a super low center of gravity, making it stable and sure-footed in the corners, especially compared to other small cars that have taller ICE engines and clunky gearboxes. And the beauty is that the Model 2 will grow better with time. Tesla says up to 70% of fixes and new features will come via over-the-air updates, just like your smartphone. No dealership trips required. Even features like Smart Summon or Auto Park could just appear one day after a software download. Would you pick this Model 2 over other affordable hatchbacks knowing it will only improve with age? Let me know by typing Tesla wins in the comments if you choose this over anything else on the market. The Tesla Model 2 isn't just built to move people, it's built to move the entire industry. Tesla is proving that affordability doesn't have to come at the expense of innovation. From built-in autonomy and subscription models to ultra-long life and low maintenance, it reimagines what we expect from a car. So here's the real question: what happens when your car stops being an expense and starts becoming an asset? Comment ready if you're ready for that shift, and hit subscribe if you want to stay ahead of every Tesla update as it drops. Let's hit that goal of 1,000 subscribers.